Which sentence is correct? A. She don't like ice cream. B. She doesn't like ice cream. C. She doesn't like ice cream. Fill in the blank. I will call you when I dash home. A. Will reach B. Reach C. Reached. Choose the correct passive voice. They built a bridge. A. A bridge was built by them. B. A bridge built by them. C. A bridge is built by them. Identify the noun phrase A. Running fast. B. The little boy with a hat. C. Very quickly. Select the synonym of rapid. A. Slow. B. Quick. C. Lazy. Choose the correct tense. She dash here since morning. A. Has been. B. Have been. C. Is being. Which sentence is correct? A. I look forward to meet you. B. I look forward to meeting you. C. I look forward meeting you. Fill in the blank. He insisted dash paying the bill. A. On B to C at C. Choose the correct comparative form. A. More happier. B. Happier. C. Happiest. Which sentence is correct? A. He is capable of great things. B. He is capable for great things. C. He is capable with great things. Identify the idiom. Break the ice means A. To start a conversation. B. To finish work. C. To relax. Fill in the blank. Neither of them dash ready. A. Is B or C B? Choose the correct article. She is dash honest woman. A, B, and C, B. Select the correct synonym of elated. A, happy. B, sad. C, angry. Fill in the blank. He succeeded dash solving the problem. A and B on C at. Which sentence is correct? A. She suggested to go to the park. B. She suggested going to the park. C. She suggested go to the park. Choose the correct preposition. I am interested dash learning French. A and B on C at. Fill in the blank. If I dash you, I would accept the offer. A was B, where C am. Which sentence is correct? A. He did not know the answer. B. He did not know the answer. C. He did not knows the answer. Choose the antonym of ancient. A. Modern. B. Old. C. Historic. Fill in the blank. We haven't met dash last year. A since B for C from. Identify the correct spelling. A. Receive. B. Receive. C. Receive. Which sentence is correct? A. She married with a doctor. B. She married to a doctor. C. She married a doctor. Choose the correct synonym of brave. A. Coward. B. Courageous. C. Fearful. Fill in the blank. He has been working here dash 5 years. A since B for C from a. Which sentence is correct? A. The furniture are new. B. The furniture is new. C. The furnitures are new. Choose the correct tense. By next week, I dash finish the project. A. Will be. Will have. C. Will has. Fill in the blank. She is good dash mathematics. A and B at C on. Which sentence is correct? A. He speaks fluent English. B. He speaks fluently English. C. He speaks English fluent. Choose the correct plural. A. Cactuses. B. Cacti. C. Cacti's. Fill in the blank. I am not interested dash politics. A. In B. On C. At. Choose the correct question tag. You're coming dash? A. Are you B? Aren't you C? Isn't you? Fill in the blank. She talks as if she dash everything. A. No B. No C. New. Choose the correct passive voice. They will complete the work tomorrow. A. The work will complete by them tomorrow. B. The work will be completed by them tomorrow. C. The work is completed by them tomorrow. Which sentence is correct? A. He is senior than me. B. He is senior to me. C. He is more senior than me. Fill in the blank. I look forward dash your reply. A. To B for C at. Choose the antonym of scarce. A. Rare. B. Abundant. C. Limited. Identify the idiom. Spill the beans means A. Reveal a secret. B. Cook food. C. Waste something. Fill in the blank. I wish I dashed taller. A and B was C were. Which sentence is correct? A. I have seen her yesterday. B. I saw her yesterday. C. I have saw her yesterday. Choose the correct form. The cake dash on the table. A. Lay B. Laid C. Lies. Fill in the blank. He succeeded dash convincing the manager. A. On B and C at the sit. Which sentence is correct? A. He is one of those students who always works hard. B. He is one of those students who always work hard. C. He is one of those students who work hardly. Choose the correct synonym of mitigate. A. Reduce. B. Increase. C. Delay. Fill in the blank. The number of people dash increasing. A. Are B is C, B. Which is correct? A. She and me went to the park. B. She and I went to the park. C. Me and her went to the park. Fill in the blank. He behaves dash a child sometimes. A. Like B as C, such. Choose the correct tense. I dashed this book before. A. Read. B. Have read. C. Has read. Fill in the blank. We were talking dash the phone when it rang. A. On B and C at. Which sentence is correct? A. It's a beautiful day. B. It's a beautiful day. C. It's a beautiful day.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.